Moneymakers, get ready to be blown away because we're about to unveil a game-changing development in the world of retail. Walmart, yes, the powerhouse retailer, just dropped a bombshell that's turning heads everywhere. Today, we're diving into the exciting news that Walmart Supercenter Managers can now rake in over $400,000 a year. And here's the kicker: no college degree is required. So stick around. This is a story that can definitely change your career aspirations and your life. Let's get into it. So John Furner, who is the CEO of Walmart, made a huge announcement. He stated that we ask our store managers to own their roles as if it was their own, like they were true owners. He went on to say that it's more about empowering their managers and rewarding their hard work. I think this is great. This is definitely a step in the right direction. I know you're wondering, well, how is this going to happen? What are they going to do? So starting in April, Supercenter managers will receive $20,000 annually in stock grants. This is on top of the recent boost in the average base pay of the managers, which went from $117,000 a year to $128,000 a year, which is a 9% increase in 2023. But wait, there's more. Managers can earn up to 200% of their base salary in yearly bonuses. Now, this is based on the store's sales and profits, which will potentially add another $256,000 to their income. So you're probably thinking, well, that's not $400,000. Well, let's make sense out of it. When you add the higher base pay with the stock options, grants, and bonuses, managers could now make a whopping $404,000 per year. That is huge. That is a lot of money. Now, the CEO went on to say that managing Walmart stores now are far more complex than it was when he started, due to the increased responsibilities that's placed on the managers on a daily basis. A little bit more about Walmart that you probably don't know. Walmart currently operates 4,600 stores in the United States and about 600 Sam's Clubs. This means that the huge salary increase will impact Walmart managers and Sam's Clubs managers throughout the United States. Currently, 3 out of 4 Walmart employees started within the company and were promoted from within without a college degree. It takes about 5 years to go from an hourly employee to a manager. What's very interesting is, although you don't need a college degree, Walmart is now on a campaign to hire recent college graduates. This is only to increase their talent pipeline. This is a fantastic opportunity for Walmart managers. This also highlights the gap between the top tier employees at the company and its rank and file employees. Last year alone, Walmart raised its salaries for the lower level employees from $14 an hour to $19 an hour, depending on the location. And just as a plus to the lower level employees, Walmart also is offering an incentive or bonus up to $1,800 annually for those employees. In addition to the superstores, Walmart also owns neighborhood stores, which are much smaller in scale, and smaller Walmart stores. Now, although those employees will not receive the stock option of $20,000, they will receive on average $15,000 or $10,000, depending on the location and the size of the actual store. And just the cherry on the top, Walmart's stock performance has been very impressive, with shares going up about 16% in the past 12 months. This is not great news for just the managers. This is great news for anyone that is invested in Walmart. Walmart is really making strides in recognizing and rewarding their managers, providing an opportunity for anyone to pursue a career in retail. Thanks for tuning in, Moneymakers. If you found this information very valuable, please like, share, and subscribe. Until next time.